And what is the name for the appointment? Please spell that. Perfect. We have that name. And you are early, but the doctor will see you soon. Please have a seat over there for me. Yes, you are checked in. Insurance. You do not need that here today. Yes, it is on file. Yes, thank you. Please sit down and wait your turn. Thank you. Hello, I will be your doctor today. Your eye doctor. Yes. Have we met before? I didn't think so. What made you come to the UV eye clinic? A referral. Just gonna take a note of that. And where were you referred from? A med spa. Interesting. Yes. Well, I have a lot of family in this area. A lot of us look alike. I think a cousin of mine has a med spa. Perhaps that is what you're referring to. Yes. Now, you look healthy to me. Is there a reason you came today? Or is this just an annual checkup? I see. Yes. You have some blurry vision. Let me see. You do not look like you have cataracts, but I will get a closer look with a light. Is that okay? Okay. And what else did you say was wrong? What does that mean? Visions? You said you had blurry vision. Oh. You are seeing things? Please elaborate. Do we think this is psychological? Have you had a history of mental illness, perhaps? No. And how long has this been happening? Okay. Shortly before you went to the med spa, a couple of weeks ago. Okay. is an underlying issue in your eyes. Oh, perhaps it is psychological. I guess I can see. Look deep into your eyes. Yes. Before we look into your eyes with a light, I do need to do other vision tests to make sure. Have you ever worn contacts or glasses? 20/20 vision. My. You are very lucky. We will test that now. Okay? Perfect. Please read this line for me. Perfect. Very well done. Now, the line beneath it, please. Well done. Next, this line for me, please. Good job. I do believe you may have 20/20 vision after all. But I do have one more board for you to look at. Okay? Okay. Now, I will point at an object. Will you please tell me what you see? Well, it is quite simple. Yes, your visions. This will test those for me. We will see if you see anything and make an assessment. Now, this one. What do you see? No, that is incorrect. You said you see a ghost. This is a flower. A flower. Now, please tell me what this is. A circle. Yes, you got it correct. Now, please look down here and tell me what this is. This is a shape. No, you are incorrect. That is not a scary face. Did you see a scary face? Huh. Interesting. Well, I will not burden you anymore with that. You seem quite distressed at the moment. Are you distressed at the moment? I don't think you should be. We are almost done. Well, in a traditional eye test sense, we have to dig a little deeper with you to see what you see. Yes. Let me take some notes on my observations of you today. You seem like this may be a mental problem, as mentioned before. Normal people, even with eye problems, don't see creatures. you do. You seem to see them often lately. Is that correct? Do not worry. I can still help you. We have not done the next part of the exam yet. Now, for this part, I do have to get close to you. And you will see a light looking into your eyes. Okay? I will bring in the light now. Please be still for me. Now, starting with this eye. And now for this side. Please just look at the light. Now, I want you to follow the light wherever it goes for me. Okay. Look at the light. Not at me. Okay. The light for me. Don't look at me. Keep following the light. Keep following the light. Well, I'm not seeing anything in your eyes. Oh, yes. I think the sun went down. Yes. Time goes by so fast. Yes. Like I said, the light did not pick up anything in your eyes. But perhaps we did not look deep enough. What do you think? Yes, I think we could do more. One more test that I think will solve all your problems. Hold very still for me. Oh, it's okay. You're not going to need them. You won't have to worry about visions anymore. I'm so happy my cousin sent you to me. What a treat. Fresh eyes. Just what I needed. Oh yes, my old ones were going bad. I am so happy she brought you to me with your perfect vision. Thank you for coming. Don't worry, it's on the